Thank you for watching another episode of Sloan's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Today, we are reviewing the Lulz Ideas Halloween Pumpkin Carriage. Stay tuned at the end of this video for a talk about whether shopping on Temu is right for you. A big thank you to all who have subscribed to our channel. Please hit that like button, subscribe for more videos. We're trying to reach 200 subscribers by the end of November. Thank you very much. This is just another one of the mini Halloween brick kits we ordered from Temu that we're going to take a look at. Of note, I don't know if you can see that in the camera very well, but it says mini. So these are mini bricks. Of course, I think for the avid Lego builder who only wants to stick with Legos, these aren't of interest to them, I would imagine. And having two different sets of bricks around, if not three, there's also a micro set. Certainly, I can understand why you wouldn't want to branch out beyond, you know, having more than one set, or I guess four if you consider Duplos as well. But the nice thing we found about these mini sets is if you have a small living footprint like we do, on the bright side, you can fit more builds in one area because they're so much smaller. But anyway, this looks like a pretty interesting kit. It is made from, it says 839 pieces. It says ages 6+. I have a feeling it's probably a little older than that, really. But let's take a quick look around the box here for you. This is a nice iridescent box. It's a little bit irritating on filming because we have to be careful on the lighting, otherwise it just blinds the viewers the whole time, which we've learned the hard way. But let's get her opened up here and see what we got inside there. This one will probably take me a number of hours to build, being almost 1,000 pieces. Let's see, I just prayed for number bags. It's by a company named Lulz or Lulz Ideas. There's a number on that bag, good. And then, yeah, let's take a look at these directions. Absolutely poster style, 100%. The colors look good. Let's see here. I mean, the last poster style we didn't have any trouble with the directions themselves as far as the quality of them. It's just managing this. Oh, looks like 2 by 3 foot long instruction set is awkward. It's definitely tricky. Let's see, where is instruction number 1 here? There's the finished product. I'm guessing it's this way. It gives you all the bricks at the tippy top there that you can, I guess if you're wanting to try to do, or if you're missing a part, you can try and track it down, maybe how many there's supposed to be. Yeah, but there's instruction number 1 right there at the tippy top. And, yeah, I mean, so everything looks easy to follow. It's just in a presentation that we don't like as much. To be upfront, this is not a Lego compatible kit, but does use Lego style bricks, just in miniature. On a Sloan's Reviews rock scale of hardness of 1 being easy and 10 being rock hard, we give this kit a 5, as building the pumpkin walls was a little challenging. The instructions for this build were in a huge poster style, which is not my favorite, but they were easy to understand and mostly were done in good order. There were occasions, and my wife is finding this the same with other mini brick kits, that they have you build something, say like a post, and place into the build, but then a step or two later you have to attach something to it, which due to the small nature of the bricks is like trying to attach something to a noodle. If you have any hint that you may need to add a part to a build down the road, you're best to just add it in sooner rather than later. You may have realized that our channel doesn't typically review brand name Lego kits because, to us, that would be like reviewing whether Gordon Ramsay's cooking is any good. Of course it is. What you need to know, and the question we want to answer for you is, this brick kit a Lego quality experience? This kit is pretty close to a Lego experience with the following caveats. The bricks, again, are like miniature Lego bricks, but not micro. There were 839 pieces in the build, and I had no missing pieces. The parts went together well, but they don't have the rewarding snap together of an actual Lego build, nor do they like to stay together quite as well, but they performed well enough and no glue was needed to hold anything together. Looking at the accessories this kit came with, it came with 2 horses and 2 miniature figures, which were like Lego Friends minifigs, but just a touch smaller. We'll call them mini minifigs. Looking at what we liked, this is just one of several Lulz brands mini brick kits we've purchased for our Halloween builds. We like the finished size of these mini brick kits. If you're anything like us with limited living space, no, we are definitely not one of those rich YouTubers with a massive home. The needs of the smaller brick kits are just the thing to enjoy building. The pumpkin carriage is very detailed, including on the inside. They gave you the horses plenty of flourish with bows in their braids and blue plumes coming from their heads. The kit has a number of gold-colored bricks that contrast well with the rest of the build. Inside the pumpkin are a number of nice details for the princess mini minifig to interact with, including a bed and a desk. The door to the pumpkin and the window shutters open to give you a better peek on what's on the inside. There are a couple areas of improvement this kit could use. This kit, for instance, did not have numbered bags. There were numbers on the bags, but they didn't use them. You just open everything up, but try to keep them in individual containers because like pieces are collected into each single bag.
The minifigs can't sit. They just don't have the design to do so, despite there being seats on the carriage. The inside of the pumpkin has several fun details, including a bed and desk, but they didn't give the roof translucent bricks to let the light down in from above to help you see those features, and the top is not made to come off easily enough to look inside whenever you feel like. Also, I would love to have a booklet-style instruction set rather than a poser style. Can a beginner enjoy this kit? A beginner can do this kit, but building the sides of the pumpkin were challenging as the window areas are thin, and getting everything together and staying that way took some effort, but not enough to take it out of the hands of the beginner. Would we do it again? Yes, we love these LOLs kits. They're very detailed, they take up less space, and they're fun to put together. Did you build one of these LOLs kits? Which one? Put your answer in the comments below. Please like and subscribe to see our latest videos. I hope this review helped you decide if you wanted to make your own LOLs ideas Halloween pumpkin carriage. If you're in a position to support us on Patreon, please click that link in the description. We have a camera that needs to be replaced for $3 a month. You get ad-free access to our videos. That $3 can help you decide what to love making next. Let's talk about Temu for a minute. I was very skeptical, and their app is like a very nutty game show, but now I'm convinced. When was the last time Amazon gave you money back for the late arrival of your product? Yeah, never. Temu will give you money back if a product shows up late. How much back? I got $13 back on a $145 shipment that arrived one day late. They sell the same goods as Amazon for literally a few bucks to double digits worth of discount. Though admittedly, sometimes your goods won't arrive in a box. The app regularly gives you opportunities for discounts and even free merch, but please be careful, it's tricky at times. But once you figure out how to make it work for you, you can save a lot over what you would pay at Amazon, again for the exact same product. So think about it. Click the link in the description if you want to give it a whirl and prepare for the roller coaster ride that is the Temu app. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon. If you subscribe today, for $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.